Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make money online from Jordan. So let's get started. So here we can see Jordan has the 1,000 number of people that are unemployed and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online without any investment and without any capital is through freelancing. So the best website for the freelancing is Fiverr. Okay. The Fiverr is a marketplace where you can directly uh, sell anything to the business owners and potential buyers. So here we can see Fiverr. Okay, so it's very good to use and you can do it. Okay, so what to sell? So you can just convert the YouTube videos into audios, watching YouTube videos, doing the shout out, image resizing and optimization, holding the gig signs, content writing, and many other things. So it's very good platform to sell. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.